Today we are talking about the poem entitled as The Stairs. This poem is written by A. Jayaprabha. A. Jayaprabha is a poetess, critic, essayist, feminist, and biographer. She is a well-known poetess and critic in Telugu and has published 7 books of poetry and 4 volumes of literary criticism. She has done a job in bringing forth a strong and sustainable women perspective, though her poetry and essays. She holds a doctorate degree from Osmania University on modern Telugu drama. The subject of her MPhil dissertation was Women in Telugu Romantic Poetry. She is an academician also who thought of 2 years Telugu language and culture at USA. For 1 year, she worked as fellow Folk Research Center, University of Hyderabad. She edited uh, Lohita, the monthly journal devoted to women's issue and feminist literature. As a biographer, she wrote a literary appreciation of the great saint poet Annamaya. This book was universally appreciated. The poem "Stairs" was originally written in Telugu. It has been translated into English by B.V.L. Narayana Rao. Uh, Jayaprabha described the stares at the people who stares at women. She is assaulted constantly, daily by the stares who have no hesitation or shame about affixing their gaze on her. This kind of gaze single their hunger signals their hunger and their desire to grab hold of her. She feels hopeless because she finds no safe shelter for her. The needle sharp stares of men land on her whole body. These cowardly men have no courage to look straight in her eyes, but their stress creep on their body like newly hatched undeveloped insects. All section of men and rich and the poor, the young and the old, without exception, stares at women. Their stares give a sign of the hunger of a dog from whose mouth saliva is flowing, or the attempt of jackals grab. These stares haunt the poetess even in her dreams. She finds no escape from these stares. At every place, be it the road, the bus, the classroom, the stairs pursue her, making a sudden bite. These poisonous fang of a snake or cobra stab her sharply like a knife. The poetess feels frightened, and her only wish is to fly away or disappear into some empty space. Then there a turning point in the poem. She shades away her passivity, passivity and helplessness. She believes that she has a claim on the earth. The earth belongs to her also. She retaliates, and then the cowardly stairs flee to the underground. She takes courage in her hand, teaches her eyes to stare back equally sharply in the style of tit for tat. She gives the stairs for stairs. That is how she wages her war now. She is no longer helpless. She is no longer helpless. The poetess stares with her own case, but then shift it to all women's general. The poetess is feminist who has done a yeoman's um, service in the cause of women. In the first part of the poem, A. Jayaprabha appears to be weak and docile. She is assaulted by the needle-sharp stares of men and of all sections. She is haunted by stares even in her dreams. She wishes to fly away and disappear in some safe shelter for women. These men stare at her without any hesitation or sense of shame. She compared these men to the dogs who are letting saliva flow from their mouth, or the jackals who try to grab hold of her. There is a Urdu proverb which says that God helps those who exhibit courage. Thus, here also the poetess takes a U-turn. She takes courage in her hand and pays the man in the same coin. She believes that too has a claim on the earth. The earth belongs to her also. She stares back at the man, gives stares to stares. The poetess, who is a defender of women, makes her individual case in general issue. The poem is very good commentary on modern society where women are the victim. She portrays not only the problem of that woman face but also the inherent strength and courage of that women display in every sphere of their lives. Thus, A. Jayaprabha presents a problem as well as the solution. When women stares back at men, these men fly to the underworld. The poetess longed for the day when the entire body of a woman, not only her eyes, will react angrily to the cowardly man. The expressions needle sharp stares, liar stress, hunger of a uh, drooling dog, ugly grab of a wolf. These poisons fang knife me, but the earth is mine too. The stairs are stairs. A very apt, appropriate, suggestive suggestive. The poem is written in free verse. On the whole, the poem is very realistic and appealing. Thank you.